Hi, this is Vicki Romaine with Cheerful Greetings, and today we're going to be working with our next two playing cards, which is the Jack and 10 of Hearts. And I'll be using nail polish that's from the Caribbean, and so it has a body, more of a body than the polish that you buy here in the U.S. So it doesn't do as well, but that's what we have here today. Apologize that my camera did not work while I was putting the die cuts on. But what I did was I distressed the Jack with fabric, and I distressed the playing card, the 10 of Hearts, with broken china. The little girl has a little bit of the blue in her dress of the broken china. I did not do anything to the house, except I did go and put stickles on it. But again, I apologize that the camera did not work during this time. I hope you enjoy watching me transform these cards, and I hope to see you next time. In the meantime, have a great crafting day, and bye.